Ayy, what? Look at that fashion over gas and all these bitches. Ayy, look how that Mari sit up nasty on them inches. Ayy, big ol' booty, bet your nigga take a picture. Ayy, diamond, yeah, book a flight, link up with you. What? Look at that fashion over gas and all these bitches. Ayy, look how that Mari sit up nasty on them inches. Ayy, big ol' booty, bet your nigga take a picture. Ayy, diamond, yeah, book a flight, link up with you. Babies, I got issues.
What's good, Barbies? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a fiery tip look for you guys, inspired from fire, obviously. No. I've been wanting to do this like hairstyle for so long now, so I decided just to do a fiery one, a fierce fire. Okay, let's show you the products I got. Actually, I didn't get these products, but Diana got them for me, so God bless her. Thank you. I'm going to be doing orange, obviously, fire, but I don't have red, so I'm going to be mixing these two a little bit just for like the tippy tips, so it looks a little red. Let's just go and show you how I do that. And put it in this purple bowl. Oh my god. This is so vibrant. Oh my god, look at this color. I am so excited. Okay, I just only need a little bit of it, so I'm gonna put like that much of orange, and then oh my god, I'm so excited to see what this color looks like too. Okay, it's brand new. I gotta open this one.
I'm so excited. Okay.
I'm not gonna make a second mistake of getting it in my teeth, so I'm gonna grab my handy dandy tweezers. Oh, this is purple. I'm just gonna add like a squeezy bit, but not too much. And let's mix this and see how it turns out. Okay, yeah, this is definitely red now, and it smells freaking like, it smells like candy. Oh my god. Now I'm going to pour all of this orange inside my black hair dye bin, whatever these are called. I've not been too sure what they're called. I'm going to use all of it. If I have extra, that's totally fine. And that sounds like fart. Yeah. What I'm going to do is kind of section my baby hairs from my long end hairs and just kind of do that. Okay, it's so effing hot in here right now. I need to open the window like right now. Okay, I'm about to start. I'm so excited and anxious and scared at the same time because I don't know exactly how this is going to turn out, but let's just do it. Okay, so first off, I just want the orange to show up to basically like right here, so I'm gonna tease right about where I want it to be. Let's just get it. I'm gonna first put a little bit of red just at the tips of my my hair. Here goes nothing, guys. Make sure I'm like getting all the tips. This is gonna be messy, but that's how my life is, messy as fuck. I'm just gonna grab orange with my hands and bring it up. Oh my god, like what is happening? have me. I'm so scared. Like, my ombre doesn't look too great, obviously. But I'm so freaked out right now. What am I going to do? What if it turns out bad, guys? Like, I'm just gonna have weird, ugly hair for the next couple of days. So this is how it looks like so far. I'm gonna go now in with my little bun and just take off this as softly as possible so I don't get any hair dye anywhere else. I have a little bit left over, so I'm just gonna go strip by strip and pick out a couple of hair strands, kind of like little pieces around my head so it doesn't look so straight. That's what we don't want. Okay, Barbies, this is what it looks like right now. Yeah, this is me right now. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna let it process for another 20 to 30 minutes and then I'll be right back to show you the final fucking results.
Talk to me, break it down for a chick with some money, yeah. She gon' break it down for the huncho. One call, she pull up pronto. She do what I say so. Drip till her tiptoe. I got on payroll. Shout it 25 fuego. Big stick, told her leave. Now bust it